Good evening. Welcome to Box Breaks by the Hoop Doctor, third break of the night and my first 2021 Topps Chrome update baseball mega box break. Haven't opened up any update series. I don't even know if there's anything out there besides these mega boxes, but I got my hands on these. I ordered some more today, so hopefully I can have this break again next week. And really curious to see what all's in there. I figure we'll be hunting Jonathan India and some people like that. I assume. I really don't know. Last year's Topps Chrome update. Well, I got some good autographs out of there. And so hopefully the autographs will be available. It says look for autographs and one of one super fractors. Never did pull one of the super fractors last year, but like I said, I got some great autographs. I remember getting a Juan Soto autograph. So anyhow, hey Charles, how's it going? You're here for Joey Bart. I got you. For the new people to my group, I want to let you know a little bit about how I do things. I show all cards. I call all players by name. I also call out the team they play for. My goal is for you to know every card you're getting before the video ends, even if it takes a minute or two longer. I also ship all cards. All rookies, inserts, parallels, and megastars will at least be sleeved up, if not top loaded. And I'll have these cards heading your way tomorrow. Ryan's hoping for some cubbies. 40 cards in each box. 10 packs, 4 cards per pack. And there you see all of the different stuff. I see a Topps black gold insert. Autographs are in there. X-fractors, blue refractors, green refractors, gold refractors, on and on and on. Man, I hope we get some good stuff tonight. Thank y'all for joining in. If you're new, I'd love for you to save me and be back for more. I probably will have a Facebook randomizer break on Saturday and back with more eBay breaks on Sunday. All right, here we go. Let's have some fun. Here we go. Texas Rangers. Dave Dunning rookie card starts us off. Okay, we have purple or something. We got a rookie debut. Andrew Vaughn, Chicago White Sox. This purple is not going to be a number, but that is a beautiful Chicago White Sox. Andrew Vaughn. I'm calling that purple. I think it's purple. But it is a refractor for the White Sox. Rookie debut card. Here's an die cut card with the 70 on it. Hey, here you go, Braves. It's a Warren Spahn die cut. Boy, I remember these from last year. I remember two things. They were sweet and they were hard to sleeve up. Hey, but I got that one in there, or at least the bottom of it in there pretty easily. And there we go, Atlanta Braves. Warren Spahn 70 die cut card. Hey, and if you didn't like this Andrew Vaughn purple, how about an Andrew Vaughn base rookie card also to the White Sox? So, well, 3 rookie cards and a die cut to start us off. Here we go. Our Hari rookie to the Texas Rangers. We got another purple. It's Perdomo rookie, Arizona Diamondbacks. And this may be one of those blacks. Topps black. It is. It's Joe Adell. Topps black gold. Los Angeles Angels rookie card. Got the RC logo on there. That's pretty cool right there. I remember back in the day when Topps gold came out. And this is a... bringing back that pretty cool stuff right there. Picking up Joe Adell. Nate Lowe, Texas Rangers, first non-rookie, non-insert card of the break. Great start. Here is Miea, Tampa Bay Rays, followed by Josh Bell, Nationals. A purple, Boston Red Sox rookie, Sawamura. Yeah, okay, I didn't do that very well. So I'm taking the idea we're going to get a purple, or if this is blue, but 1 per pack maybe. And We have a Ramos, Cleveland Indians. Wilson Ramos. All right, Jock Peterson in a Braves uniform. The purple is Akil Baddoo. Detroit Tigers, that's a good one. Here comes a refractor. All-Star Game refractor. Salvador Perez to the Royals. And the Blue Jays, Alek Manaea rookie card. But I'm kind of eyeballing this Akil Baddoo. Purple refractor. Detroit Tigers. Popular guy right there. We're doing pretty good. We're starting to roll. We've been injured and had some people out with COVID, and we seem to be healthy. Got everybody. In the last 2.5 games, we kind of started playing like we're capable. So starting to get fun at the right time. Chris Rodriguez, Angels rookie card. Here's Jazz Chisholm, Miami Marlins rookie debut card. Purple is Kevin Pillar Mets, and there is Hunter Renfroe to the Boston Red Sox. I really like Jazz Chisholm. Casey Mize, debut rookie to the Tigers. Daniel Lynch, rookie Royals. Purple is Odorizzi to the Houston Astros. And how about a rookie debut? Big name here, Philadelphia Phillies, Alec Bohm. All right, we've got Celestino, Minnesota Twins rookie, the purple, Blake Snell, Padres. And we have another die cut, second one of the box. This is Washington Nationals. This is Max Scherzer. And Deivi Garcia, rookie debut, rookie New York Yankees. 3-pack still to go in box one. Albert Pujols, Dodgers, the purple. Mercedes to the White Sox. Second purple rookie for the White Sox. Another Topps black gold. Oh, yes. Shohei Ohtani. So we've got two of these black golds. One is Joe Adell rookie. This one is Ohtani to the Angels. And rookie debut Sam Huff, Texas Rangers rookie card. Jared Kelenic, debut Seattle Mariners rookie. Jonathan India is in the house. Cincinnati Reds debut rookie card. The purple is Josh Reddick to the Diamondbacks. And there is a Nick Madrigal Chicago White Sox rookie debut. But I know this is one of the names right here. The Cincinnati Reds is after Jonathan India. Oh, I don't know about beating the Kings. All right, here's Nolan Arenado, St. Louis. The purple is Nick Maton, Philadelphia Phillies rookie. Refractor time, All-Star Game, Jacob deGrom, Mets. And the first box ends with an Andres Gimenez, Cleveland Indians rookie. Some neat stuff in there. Got some big names. Let's keep it going. Bobby Dalbec, Dylan Carlson, you guys around? Yeah, that was something, wasn't it? All right, Adam Duvall, Marlins. Michael Taylor, Kansas City. Purple, Ryan Mountcastle, Baltimore Orioles rookie, big-time card there. The A's, Mitch Moreland. Okay, well, we're 2 for 2 on All-Star Game refractor, so I started to suspect that. Appreciate that info. I'm learning as I go since this is the first time. Victor Gonzalez, Dodgers rookie card. Here is Atlanta Braves rookie. And that is, Yona, I'm not sure. Looky here. Dylan Carlson, purple to the Cardinals, and John Lester, National. So we go 2 purples in this box, have been Ryan Mountcastle and Dylan Carlson. Now I'm needing to see Ke'Bryan Hayes show up. All right, Whitlock, rookie, Boston Red Sox. Purple, Kim, rookie to the Padres. All right, there's the newly inducted to the Hall of Fame, David Ortiz, Boston Red Sox, 70th die cut card. That's pretty cool to watch that video of him getting the phone call. You know, some of these guys will say that making the Hall of Fame not that big of a deal. It was a big deal to him. That's how I like him. And here's Colton Wong, Milwaukee Brewers. Tyler Stevenson, debut rookie, Indians. Purple, Christian Pache. Boy, we have done well with the big names in this box. 3 purples of the biggest of names. And the Braves get that one. We've got a Topps black gold coming up. Angels aren't going to get this one. It's the Nationals. Juan Soto. And there is Francisco Lindor, New York Mets. Ryan Weathers, debut, rookie to the Padres. Jose Devers, rookie to the Marlins. The purple, Brent Honeywell Jr., rookie, Tampa Bay. And the Royals get an Isbell rookie to end that pack. I think all rookies in that 4-card pack. Jared Kelenic, Mariners rookie. The purple is Tyson Miller, rookie, Texas Rangers. Followed by a refractor all-star game, Juan Soto. Nice box for the Nationals and Soto. And Feliciano, rookie, Mario Feliciano, Milwaukee Brewers rookie card. Padres, Jorge Ona, rookie card. Purple, Taylor Trammell, Mariners rookie. Here's a refractor autograph, Nick Maton, Philadelphia Phillies autograph. There we go. It's in box 2. We got our first autograph. Didn't get one in box 1. But the Philadelphia Phillies, that is a refractor auto. They may all be, but we got one. And the Phillies have it. Twins pick up a rookie debut, Alex Kirilloff. That's a name we're needing to see. Starting to roll a little bit here. I'm looking for a numbered card pretty soon. Here is Tyler Wells, Orioles rookie. Brad Hand, Nationals. The purple, Zach Wheeler, Phillies. And Luis Garcia, Washington Nationals rookie debut. Rosario, Cleveland Indians, purple. Rougned Odor to the Yankees. The Yankees get Whitey Ford, 70th die cut. So far we've gotten 2 70th die cuts per box. That may be a trend we'll keep up with. And Liam Hendriks, White Sox. Last pack, box 2. This will be the halfway point. Andrew Benintendi, Royals. The purple, Marcus Semien, Blue Jays. Black gold, Kim, rookie, San Diego Padres. And Jackie Bradley Jr. to the Brew Crew. So 2 black golds per box so far. 2 70th die cuts per box so far. 1 autograph out of 2 boxes so far. All right, second half of the break. Where's Ke'Bryan Hayes and Bobby Dalbec? All right. Garcia, rookie, Detroit Tigers. Purple, Nate Lowe, Texas Rangers. Die cut, Orioles, Cal Ripken Jr. And Nick Maton, Philadelphia Phillies. Oh my goodness, that little hang tab up there. Donis Garcia, Texas Rangers. Boy, he came on out of nowhere this year. Wilson Ramos, purple to the Indians. The black gold, Yadier Molina, Cardinals. And there's a Ryan Mountcastle debut rookie to the Orioles. We got that card in purple earlier. Joe Adell, rookie debut, Angels. Sixto Sanchez, rookie debut, Marlins. Purple, Hunter Renfroe, Red Sox. And rookie debut, Dylan Carlson. A couple of big names there. Taylor Trammell, rookie debut, Mariners. Purple, rookie, Alek Manaea, Blue Jays. All-Star Game refractor, Matt Olson, Athletics. And rookie debut, Kim, San Diego. Jake Cronenworth. That looks a little off-center to me. San Diego Padres rookie debut. And another rookie, Dave Dunning, Texas Rangers. Purple, Alec Bohm, debut, Philadelphia Phillies. And right behind him is debut base, Christian Pache. We have got many of the biggest name rookies in purple in this break. Our Rangers rookie, Mejia to the Rays. Purple rookie debut, Deivi Garcia, Yankees. And Brent Honeywell Jr., rookie to the Rays. Josh Bell, Washington. Purple, Sam Huff. Rookie debut, Texas Rangers. Here comes another die cut. This is Verlander. Houston Astros. And Tyson Miller, Rangers rookie card. Jock Peterson, Braves. Purple, White Sox, Nick Madrigal, rookie debut. Black gold, Bryce Harper, Phillies. And Taylor Trammell, Mariners rookie card. 2 packs to go. Throw me an autograph out there. Come on. Chris Rodriguez, Angels rookie. Jazz Chisholm, rookie debut, Marlins. Andres Jimenez, purple rookie to the Cleveland Indians. And the Phillies get Zach Wheeler. Casey Mize, rookie debut, Tigers. Purple is Mitch Moreland, A's. All-Star Game, refractor, Jose Altuve to the Houston Astros. And another Rougned Odor. So we went no autograph, autograph, no autograph. I hope that means autograph. I'd like to see something different in here. I don't know what the different would be, but something that we haven't seen in boxes 1, 2, or 3. That would be something pretty neat to end on. Pretty good break so far, in my opinion. Let's see if we can get some more big names in purple. Here's Jameson Taillon, Yankees. The Blue Jays, Steven Matz. Purple, Lance Lynn, White Sox. And Trevor Larnach, Twins rookie card. Here is a Kea Tom, Pittsburgh Pirates rookie. That's a new name for me. Khalil Lee, Mets rookie in purple. All-Star Game refractor, Joey Gallo, Rangers. And Nate Pearson, rookie debut, Toronto. Few names that are brand new to me. Jorge Mateo, Padres rookie. The Brewers, Willy Adames. Purple, Mariners rookie, Logan Gilbert. And Tariq Skubal, debut to the Tigers. There is Ke'Bryan Hayes. He finally made his appearance. Debut, Pittsburgh Pirates. I don't know what we got going on down here at the end. I don't know if that's fuzz. Yep, looks like it was. It came right off. Behind him is another debut. Garrett Crochet. Clark Schmidt, New York Yankees. The purple, Joey Bart. Somebody was in here asking for Joey Bart. We just got a purple rookie debut to the Giants. And the Cardinals, Justin Williams rookie card. Shane McClanahan rookie debut, Tampa Bay Rays. Purple, Florial rookie to the Yankees debut. Die cut, Dodgers, Clayton Kershaw. And there's Bobby Dalbec. So we was missing Ke'Bryan Hayes and Bobby Dalbec. And in the last few packs, both of them have made their appearance. Oh, those die cuts drive me crazy. Andrew Vaughn, rookie debut, White Sox. Purple, Dodgers, Keibert Ruiz, rookie. Black gold, Alex Kirilloff, rookie, Minnesota Twins. And we have Gutierrez, rookie, Cincinnati Reds. 4 packs to go. Let's get another big hit or two. Perdomo, rookie, Arizona Diamondbacks. There's that Sabamora, rookie to the Red Sox. Evan White, rookie debut, purple to the Mariners. Jake Odorizzi, Houston Astros. Where's that autograph? Akil Baddoo, Detroit Tigers rookie, the purple. Nick Gordon, rookie, Minnesota Twins. All-Star Game refractor. Chris Bryant, Cubs. And Blake Snell to the Padres. We're down to 2 packs. Kevin Pillar, Mets. Charlie Morton, Braves. Purple. Luis Patino, Tampa Bay Rays rookie. And Mercedes, rookie to the White Sox. Melanson, San Diego Padres. Finally get our second Jonathan India to the Reds. It's a little off-centered, however. Purple, Andrew Vaughn, White Sox. And we end with Arizona Diamondbacks and Josh Reddick. Now, let me show you some of the hits. Jonathan India base rookie, purple Andrew Vaughn rookie, purple Joey Bart debut rookie, purple Alec Baum debut rookie, purple Christian Pache debut rookie, purple Dylan Carlson debut rookie, purple Ryan Mountcastle debut rookie, debut Jonathan India rookie, black gold Shohei Ohtani, purple Akil Baddoo rookie, Joe Adele Topps black gold rookie, purple Andrew Vaughn debut, and we got the Nick Maton Philadelphia Phillies rookie refractor autograph. Thank y'all so much. I'm going to get these cards sorted and packaged and on the way to you in the morning. Thank y'all so much. Have a great one. Good night.